Yeah. Come upstairs and I'll show you where all where my demons hide from you. Just look at who I have become. I'm so ashamed you are the one who made me feel the way I do. You taught me and broke me to truly hate myself. Unfold me and teach me how to be like somebody else.